Hello everyone, Shmai. My name's Richie Pullman. I'm the project manager for the Lost Peatlands project and contributing this week to the top 10 species and trying to find the green tiger beetle. Where I am, I'm in one of the project's habitat restoration areas, Cwmsaibren. As you can see, very nice view down there to Rhondda. So the green tiger beetle is a ground dwelling beetle. It's usually found heathlands and grasslands, sand dunes. It can also be found on coal spoil, for which there's a lot in the South Wales valleys, and there is some in the Lost Peatlands project area, especially here at Cwmsaibren. So yeah, I'm going to have a little hunt around and see what I can find. No joy, I'm afraid. I'm in the right habitat. This is the dry heathland on coal spoil, so I'm sure if I was to spend a bit more time here, I'd definitely come across an individual. Yeah, they're an iridescent green, or very bright green, really quite sort of fascinating to look at, and very jewel-like, around about 1.5 centimetres in length. And yeah, they can be seen, we're in the right time of the year, so it's April to September, and yeah, they can be found in this sort of habitat. But yeah, through the Lost Peatlands project, we're going to be restoring various kinds of habitat, and this is one of them, and I'm sure in time we'll be able to showcase some green tiger beetle. So stay tuned and yeah, enjoy the rest of the 10 species. Cheers.